Hello everyone! In today's video guys, we are going to another feeding location that we have here in Cagayan de Oro. So as you can see, there are vendors here. So the sun is up. It's almost 5 in the afternoon. So we will go in that area guys. So I'll show it to you. Sadong?
Oh, narating ko. Thank you.
Say hi. You say hi, Sa. Hi to the vlog. Ano sa spelling sa thank you, Sa? Eskwela mo? Asa na pet? Ano sa imong grade lang? Grade 6? Oh, pili mo edad? 12 na day ka ikaw. Pili mong edad? Okay. Let's go! Let's go down guys. So this is actually beside the river. This is beside the river. Along the river banks. Is that the right term? And let's go inside. The ministry here is around almost 18 years already. But the feeding I forgot kung ilang years na. So let's go. So guys, we are already here. This one is one of our members. So they live here. And then the other one is, this is the Bible Study Center. Let's go down. Oops, hi te! You will go muna. Og ta dito na sila dito sa ubos te. So let's go down guys, beside the river. That's where the kids are. So ito yung let's go guys. So ito yung mga houses here. This is how the houses looks like beside the river. So let's go down. This is another house. Nanay! Agimi nay! Guys, she is already blind. She's already blind. She is the grandmother of one of our members in the church here. So we are literally under one of the houses here. So let's go down. So we have to go. Guys, the kids are already here. And they are now starting the story time. So guys, these are the kids. And the storyteller is one of our members in the church. She is our praise and worship team leader. Hi. This is another house, guys. So let's go to the river here. So hey guys, so this is the Cagayan de Oro River. During the Sendong typhoon Sendong, there are a lot of people who died in this river. So this is where some of our church members live. So kaya we have our feeding activity here. But actually, they are not allowed I think, to live here or to stay here already because of the flood from the river. So this is the river, guys. This is where many people died during the typhoon Sendong. It's not very clear as of the moment, as you can see there. It's not very clear, but usually the people that lives near the river, nagsiswim sila dito, and they also wash their clothes here. Yeah, it's a bit deep, and they usually also get shrimps and fish, the small ones. Yeah, and yeah, it's wide. Actually, it's very wide. And there are residents in that part, but during the Sendong, all of them were washed out. Yeah, so some of the residents, some of our members actually are not allowed already to live near the river. So now let's go back to the kids. So we have a feeding activity here every other Saturday. So as you can see, there are houses there, just few steps away from the river. And this one shouldn't be here actually. Jutay kamot ikaw ay kaway, hawak iki ay kiay, tuyok gamay. Gagmay na sundalo, sundalo sa Ginoo. Awat mo sa kwa. Bible, pray every day, pray every day, pray every day. Read your Bible, pray every day and grow, grow, grow. Eating time. This is Andrea. 7 ay mga edad? Ali sabi? 6 na? Kano saan siya mag-7? Come here, sabi. Oh. You're already 7? I mean 6? Ay, 7 na yung I mean 6 na yung mga edad? Oo. Very small. She's very small, guys. Mara siya og 3-year-old. Okay, linya na ka. Linya na. Sabay? Takuha ba sabay? Princess is 5. How old are you? How old are you? Ay, pila edad? 3. Si Yang dayan kay 6. Kano sa siya mag-7? August. O mag-7 siya sa August. Siya kay 3-year-old. Siya kay 5-year-old. Si Princess. Tas kani si pila yang edad? 3. So ito going 7 and this one is 3-year-old. Gamay kayo ka ba? Nanong gamay makay ka? Because guys, we're going up from the feeding area.